Okay, now student will discuss about page 18 is the page 18. Okay, it's page 18. 16 and 17 we have already discussed. So in page 18 it's the practice time. So whatever we have learned in page 16 and 17, now here we practice it. Okay, so but practice we will do it, we have to understand the same type of shapes and same type of angles. Okay, so basically we use the matchsticks. Basically we use matchsticks to understand the angles. Okay, in the previous pages we understand that suppose we are using two matchsticks, okay, and we join it, then we get an angle. Okay, if we extend the angle will be greater. Suppose angle is like this. Okay, this is a two matchsticks I am using, and suppose we extend this two sides. Okay, suppose we extend this two sides. First our angle is this, then our angle extends, so this angle is greater than this angle. And similarly if we use this type of matchsticks, then this angle is smaller than this angle. Okay, this angle is smaller than this angle. So we have to understand some smaller angle and some big and bigger angles. Okay, so by using this concept we have to understand, we have to solve some question. Okay, so now in page 18 look at the shape and answer. What we have to do, we have to see the shape. So this is a five-sided closed diagram. Okay, and all these are matchsticks, so all are equal, all the sides are equal, all the sides are equal. We can say that all the sides are equal. See in your book that this is a five-sided closed diagram. Okay, five-sided closed diagram, and all the sides, basically all the sides look like all the sides are equal. The angle marked in dash color is biggest. So biggest angle. So what we have to find, we have to find among these five, one angle, two angle, three angle, four angle, five angle. So among these five angles in the picture you see in your book, okay, there is same type of picture is given. So among these five angles, which angle is bigger? Okay, suppose this angle I am denoted by white. Okay, this angle suppose white angle, this angle suppose blue angle, and this angle I am denoted by yellow angle. Okay, white denoted by yellow, blue denoted by B, and white denoted by W. Okay, so this angle is a white angle, these two angles are blue angles, and these two angles are yellow angles. Okay, now among these five angles we have to find the angle marked in dash color is the biggest angle. So see, so we have to understand this concept. Okay, suppose we have to understand this concept here. So see here, this angle and this angle is like this. Okay, like this angle and this angle are these y angles. Okay, these y angles are like this. Okay, and these white angles are like this angle, white angle is like this, but these angles, blue angles, you see that these blue angles is like this. Okay, see in your book that these two angles are bigger than these two angles and these angles. Okay, but we are not exactly sure. Why? Because we have to see, the shape. We have to see the shape and understand the angle. By seeing the shape and angle we have to write the answer, because what is written here, look at the shape and answer. So we don't know what is the measure of the angle, what is the measure of the, whether it is 90 degree, whether it is 40 degree, whether it is 70 degree, 60 degree or 60 degree. We don't know the magnitude of the angle. We don't know the magnitude of the angle, but still we have to answer whether which angle is bigger. So how we give the answer? We have to see the diagram, we have to see the shape. Okay, so by seeing the shape we see that this angle, white angle, is like this yellow angle is like this, but this blue angle is like this extended angle. Okay, so we can write that the blue angles, we can write that the angle marked in blue color, okay, blue color, the angle marked in blue color, okay, we can say that the marked in blue color is the biggest angle. Okay, now are the angles marked with yellow equal? Then question number 2, there are some diagrams. Okay, this is a 5-sided diagrams and this is a 8-sided diagram. This is a 5-sided diagram, 5-sided diagram, and this is an 8-sided diagram. Count it that there are 8-sided, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8-sided, a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8-sided diagrams. Okay, then question number 2, are the angles marked with yellow equal? So see there in this picture I have marked y. Y means yellow. Y means yellow. In these two shapes, see in your book, अपने किताब में देखो कि these two shapes are look like same. So how we give the answer? How we give the answer? Whether these two angles are equal or not? How we say that these two angles, these angles and these angles are equal or not? So just by saying that if these two shapes look like same and the sides are equal sides, in this shape these sides are equal, and in this shape these sides are equal. Okay, then we can say that this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal. Okay, so how we give the answer? If these two shapes look like same, if these two shapes are look like same, if these two shapes are look like same, okay, look like same in these shapes and these shapes, because we have to find the answer of this angle and this angle are equal or not. So when these two angles will be equal, when these two shapes look like same, because we don't know the magnitude of these two angles. Okay, so how we give the answer whether it is equal or not? So we have to understand that these two shapes look like same. Okay, in these shapes sides must be equal, and in this shape sides must be equal. If side is equal, then angle also equal. If in this diagram if sides are equal, then angle also equal. In this shape if sides are equal, then angles also equal. So we can say that in this diagram and in this diagram yellow angle and yellow colored angle and yellow colored angle are equal. So we can write here yes. Next, are the angles marked with green equal? So green is there and green is there. So same logic we are using, that these two shapes look like same. In this shape sides are equal, in this shape sides are also equal. If sides are equal, then angle also equal. Okay, so we can write that yes. Are the angles marked with blue equal? Here the blue, B denoted by blue, B denoted by blue. So in these shapes look like same, these two shapes are look like same. In these shape sides are equal, in these shapes sides are equal. So in this shape, in the bigger shape, if sides are equal, then all the angles will be equal. In the smaller shape, in the smaller diagram, if sides are equal, then all the angles are equal. So we can say that the angle B and here angle B also equal. So we can write that it is yes. Okay, now next comes to the next part, that is 4 different angles in 4 colors. Okay, 4 different angles are in 4 colored, like green, blue, red and yellow. So green is denoted by G, blue is denoted by B, red is denoted by R, Y is denoted by yellow. So 4 different angles in 4 colors. Okay, can you find other angles which are same as the one marked in red? So what you have to find? We have to find some other angles. Can you find other angles which are same as the one marked in red? So we have to find any other angles which is equal to this angle, red angle. Any angle here which is equals to this angle red. And next question is mark them in red. Do this for other colored also. So first what you have to find, हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? हमें निकालना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे जो रेड एंगल है, आर से डिनोट किया है, दिस रेड एंगल के जैसा कोई और एंगल है? यस, दिस एंगल. Why? Because this is a 5-sided, this is also a 5-sided. यहाँ पे भी 5 साइड है, यहाँ पे भी 5 साइड है, this is 5-sided. Okay, these shapes and these shapes look like same. Okay, if these shapes and these shapes, same logic, these shapes and these shapes look like same. Here in this diagram, if all the sides are equal, and in this diagram all the sides are equal, then this angle and this angle will be equal and we can marked as red angle. Okay, similarly these y angle and these angle will be equal. Okay, same logic, because here all sides are equal, all sides equal, all sides equal, then angle equal, then angle equal. Okay, if all sides equal here, then all the angles are equal. Similarly if all sides equal, similarly if all sides equal, all sides equal, then angles equal, then angles equal. Okay, so r angle here, same we can write r angle, because these two angles are equal, look like same, sides are equal in this diagram, sides are equal in this diagram. If sides are equal, then angles are equal, here also angles will be equal. So this angle matched with this angle and we marked as red. This y angle is matched. Okay, similarly if it comes to here, this 6-sided diagram, same like in your book, it is not the same like here, because I draw here, so it does not look like same, but in your book you see that these two diagrams are look like same. Okay, similarly in the similar way, it is 6-sided, it is also 6-sided, all the sides are equal here also all the sides are equal. Okay, if all the sides are equal, then all the angles are equal, here also all the angles are equal. Similar logic we can use that this G, that means green angle, and these angles are equal. Okay, similarly this blue angle and these blue angles are equal. Why? Because it is an 8-sided diagram, it is also a sided diagram. Here it is sides are equal, that means angles are equal, here sides are equal, angles are equal. Okay, so in this way we complete page 13. In our next video we will make the next page 19. Okay, thank you.